Yamaha has finally launched the kit for the XSR900 that everyone was waiting for, and now owners can officially create their own retro cafe racer Yamaha XSR900 complete with front fairing and seat cowl. Don't go anywhere, keep watching. The stock XSR900 already pays homage to some of the most iconic models from the Yamaha back catalog, with the new styling and paint that is evocative of the firm's 70s, 80s, and 90s machines. The Yamaha XSR900 racer allows fans to take that one step further, with two track-inspired additions. The first element of the kit is the front headlight cowl. Created from fiberglass reinforced plastic, it completely surrounds the headlight and is said to be inspired by the 250 and 500 cubic centimeters Grand Prix race bikes of the 70s and 80s. The next element to the kit is the boxy seat cowl, which perfectly rounds off the tail unit of the bike at the expense of a pillion perch, of course. The seat unit in the kit is inspired by the legendary TZ Grand Prix racers from the golden era of GP racing. Both kits come in color-matched paint, meaning it's available in either the tasty legend blue or midnight black color schemes the XSR900 comes in, and the parts feature neat graphics to match those found on the stock bike's fuel tank. The bike you can see in the press shots is also fitted with some more accessories not found in the XSR900 racer kit, like the Acropovic exhaust and billet aluminium brake and clutch levers. To smarten this bike up still further, its registration hanger, indicators and wing mirrors have been removed. Visitors to the Bike Shed Moto Show in London will be able to check the bike out in person, as it will be shown at the event on both the 27th and 28th of May. The official Yamaha webshop will begin selling the XSR900 racer kit from June 2023. It will also be available via official Yamaha motorcycle dealerships.